Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is an old piano we've had at the house for years and years. It was in the Catholic rectory, and we did a parishioner remodeling job on it, and the father wanted to get rid of it, so my mother took it in hopes that we would be accomplished pianists in our time. Well, my sisters could play. I never could. I banged on it a few times. My kids banged on it, but it's still here and it's heavy as heck. I had to move it one time. I was redoing my floors and I had to get about 4 guys to help me in a moving platform to move it. It is heavy. But anyway, this memory's about, I was maybe somewhere between 18 and 19. And I was seeing this young lady, and we were to meet at her house. She lived with a grandmom, and a friend of hers was there, and her friend's boyfriend was going to be there. Well, her grandma asked me, "Do you make music?" I really didn't understand what she meant by that, and her granddaughter told me, she said, "Do you play a musical instrument?" I said, "No, I don't." Well, the other girl who was there, her boyfriend said he did. And so we went in another room, which it was an older house. It had been the parlor. There was a piano. So the guy sat down. He went to playing, and he's playing some kind of spiritual. I don't even remember what it was. Well, then he started singing, and that woman started crying. So we just sat there and listened. He played about 4 or 5 songs for her, and I didn't think a whole lot of it. Well, when I saw the girl I was talking to some days later, she said her grandmother wanted her to start talking to that other guy so he could play music at her house. And he was a nice guy, and I still see him on occasion, but I always thought that was funny because I can't play no instruments, I can't dance, and I can't sing. But that's about how my luck goes. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.